Welcome to today's Tech Nibble, and we're going to be looking at an announcement from NVIDIA, specifically what they have announced the launch of the Jetson Orin Nano 2. And of course, I've got videos here about the Jetson Orin Nano and the super version here on this channel. In a nutshell, 78 TOPS of Int 8 AI power, powered by the same type of Ampere GPU. However, it has been optimized and improved, but it's still basically the same architecture. That comes with an 8-core ARM Cortex-A78 CPU, 8 gigabytes of LPDDR5X memory. That gives you 120 gigabytes a second bandwidth. It's got a whole range of different power settings because this is going to be used in robotics, used in edge applications. So you can go from 15 watts all the way up to 40 watts. And of course, it runs the same software as all of the Jetson modules. So if you've developed Python code or whatever, it runs on one and it runs on another. So this is the advantage of the Jetson ecosystem. So 2 times leap in performance, but 40% less power for the same performance. And it will be available in the first half of next year. Now, in terms of large language models that fit into 8 gigs, NVIDIA are saying that if it's around 20 tokens a second, then that's kind of the speed for human interactivity. And it's showing you here that these models will run on the Jetson Orin Nano 2 at more than 20 tokens a second. How does this fit into the rest of the lineup? Well, we've got the original Jetson Orin, we now got the Jetson Orin 2, and then after that, of course, you've got the Orin NX, the AGX Orin, and so on. So there's a whole range of different boards for different embedded solutions, depending on what you're trying to build, and they come with different performance and, of course, different price. So what are the key takeaways? The Jetson Orin Nano 2 is designed for entry-level AI. It will be available in the first half of 2027. 78 TOPS at Int 8, powered by that same Ampere GPU. 2 times the performance leap over its predecessor. However, it's got a 40% less power consumption. You've got those 8 ARM Cortex-A78 cores along with 8 gigabytes of LPDDR5X memory. It operates between 15 and 40 watts, and of course it's compatible with the full NVIDIA software stack from one end to the other. Okay, that's it. I'll see you in the next one.